In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case on your Beats Solo 4 on your iPhone, it says they are at 0% when you know for sure that it's not true. For example, over here, if I go on my Android smartphone with the Beats app and they are connected together, you can see it says 94%, which is actually accurate. I just charged them recently. If I go on my iPhone over here and I connect them and I click on the small icon, you see the same headphones are now at 0%, and it does not make any sense unless they're broken. And that's what I thought at first. I thought, well, there's probably a problem with them. Well, this is not exactly the case. It's mostly the software on your iPhone, the issue, and you need to update it. So in my case, I know I had an update pending, but I never did it. So I'll do it right now and see if this solves the issue. Here we go. I will update now and I'll come back after this is done. All right, my iPhone is now updated. And now if I go over here and select my Beats Solo 4 right there, I'll connect them first. I now have an accurate reading of the battery. So this is one of the solutions. I don't know if this didn't work for you, what you should do. I think you should just wait for a next update on your iPhone, since this error is not coming from your Beats headphones. It's your iPhone, the issue, and it needs to be updated because after doing this, as you see, it's now displaying the exact amount of battery that is left in them. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And by the way, if you have another solution on how to fix this issue, please write a comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find out a new way on how to fix this problem. Thanks. Subscribe, like, and comment.